What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We're about to film another Forza video today. I know it's a little dark right now because we're filming this at night, but hopefully you guys could see the content. I appreciate all the love on the past couple Forza videos. I know it's not doing as good as the regular vlogs because it's something new to the channel. Only some of you guys like it. I feel like a lot of people don't like it, but for those of you that do like it and stay tuned for all the content that I make, thank you. I appreciate it so much, whether it's a vlog or gaming videos or girlfriend videos. I appreciate it. But today we're gonna do another Forza video. As you guys can see, we got a Lamborghini Huracan on the screen. As you guys know, a Lamborghini Huracan is one of the cars that I want so bad. I talk about it in every single vlog every time I see one. I want an R8 too, but today we're gonna build a Lamborghini Huracan. We're gonna build like my dream build Lamborghini Huracan. A lot of you guys asked for this. Also, by the way, comment down below what other YouTube videos or Forza videos do you guys want to see? What kind of cars do you want to see me build? Or even other games that you guys want to see me play. I know a lot of you guys named like Gran Turismo, Need for Speed. All those are pretty cool, but I really like the driving wise in Forza Horizon. I think the drifting is just so much better and stuff, but we're gonna build a Lamborghini Huracan today. We're gonna do like a sheepy twin turbo build. We're gonna twin turbo it. Can we make a Lamborghini a drift car? I don't know, but we're gonna try that too. We're gonna try to drift it. We're gonna do the top speed and maybe try to race some people online if we could. We have to break 1,000 horsepower on this no matter what. The sheepy build Lamborghini Huracan. Everything is 1,000 horsepower that they make. Also, before we get too far into the video, if you guys have not copped the merch yet, we have probably like 10 shirts left, bro, in mediums, I think. That's all we have left, but if you guys do want to support me and the channel, make sure you guys go down below with shopfindingnick.com. First link down below. I'm actually going to keep the discount going for you guys because I appreciate it so much. The discount code is GTR. You'll get 25% off. I did it for my birthday when I turned 25 years old. But we're going to keep it going. So code GTR for 25% off if you guys want to cop the merch. We have some stickers, some t-shirts, some hoodies. And I think that's pretty much left before we do the new merch drop. The new merch drop should be coming out soon, within like a month or so. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, let's get into this Huracan build. Right now we got a stock Huracan. Let's see what we can do to this thing. Yeah, guys, I like these Forza videos. Like, I really wish I could start just doing gaming videos, but it's hard to like, I feel like I have to start over, you know what I mean? I know a lot of people that subscribe to me are here for the vlogs. They're not here for the gaming videos, but I think over time we'll start building a new audience, gaming audience. I know a lot of people will mention I should just start a whole new channel for gaming videos, but I already have the channel made. I already have the FindingNick channel. We already have like 140,000 subscribers thanks to you guys. So I don't know. I don't really want to start a new channel, but I don't know. You guys let me know. Should I start a new channel? I just feel like it'll be even harder to get the views. Right now I just want to throw footage on this channel. And for those of you that want to watch, will watch. And for those that don't, could just wait for the next vlog, you know what I mean? But I do want to start doing more gaming videos, guys. Hopefully grow a whole audience for gaming videos. I think that'd be really sick. All right, first things first, let's try to make this thing look cool, because I hate how stock it looks. So if this was my Lambo, the first thing I probably would have done is slam it as much as we could. On this car, I'm gonna max everything out. Should we put a roll cage? I think we need a roll cage because we're gonna be going fast. It's gonna be 1,000 horsepower build. Full Texas 2K car. Weight reduction to get as light as possible. Then let's make this thing look cool. I know you can wide body it, but I don't know if I want to wide body it. Yeah, you see, you can Liberty walk it, which looks crazy, honestly. That is insane, bro. But now we're gonna keep it stock body since this is like a twin turbo build. We'll get to the turbos right now, but let's see. Front bumper. This one has like a little bit of a lip. Or we're gonna go with this crazy front bumper, which kind of looks cool, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little too aggressive up front, but I plan to make this car black, so it might hide a lot of that ugly vents. I think we'll go with this one. Right now it looks kind of weird, guys, but wait till we wrap the car black. That wing's kind of cool. I like big wings on the Huracans. Not like that. That's the Fast and the Furious shit right there. We can do the ducktail. We can do no wing, or we can do the big wing. I think I might do this. Kind of like a Performante style wing. That diffuser's, it's kind of ugly. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do that. Diffuser looks kind of weird. Some side skirt extensions. Yeah, we'll do that. It looks kind of weird because we're on stock wheels still, but let's see. All right, now we're on the hardest mod to pick. So hard to pick wheels, bro. Like, there's so many sick wheels to choose from. I always go with these. I don't know why. I just love how they look, but I'm gonna do something different on this car. Which one should we do? Which one should we do? Some HREs. HREs actually look really good on this car. I actually like these. I don't know why. You guys let me know. Do you guys like these kind of style? BBSs? Sheesh. I actually like these, but I don't really like the bronze lip. I think we're gonna do these, or maybe try to make the lip black if we could, like all black wheels. Let's get to the twin turbo part, the fun part. Twin turbos. Like I said, we're gonna do like a sheepy build. I know you can engine swap it, but I don't want to engine swap it. We're gonna keep the V10. What can you put? An Aventador motor and a Huracan? Would that even fit? We can make it rear wheel drive. That'd be kind of fun, honestly. Or we can make it all wheel drive. All wheel drive will be good for racing if anyone wants it on the dig. Or we can make it rear wheel drive and try to drift this thing too. I think I'm gonna do a rear wheel drive so we can try to drift it. It'll still be fast. It's probably gonna just spin a lot. Yeah, we're gonna try that. Alright, let's go to the engine parts. We're gonna max everything out. Trying to make this thing as fast as possible. I think everything's maxed out. Alright, I think we're pretty much maxed out on everything. Let's see. 1200 horsepower, bro. We started from 600, now we're at 1200. Double the horsepower. That's crazy. I go to paint, so we can paint this thing. I did not like the yellow. Even though I would take it in yellow. I'll take a Huracan in any color if it's free. Oh my god, bro. I'm telling you, Huracans just look good in any color. You can do it in any color, it's gonna look good. I don't like green, but look at it. It looks good on this car. Red, of course, looks freaking sick. Damn it, I thought I was gonna do a black, but I might want to do it red now. That's a sick ass blue. That is super sick. Obviously black just looks so good. What about like a satin black? Or Nardo? Maybe we'll do Nardo? We might have to do Nardo gray, guys. I haven't done a Nardo gray car yet. I've always dreamed of having like a satin black Huracan. Look at that. Oh my god, bro. Let's go with Nardo. Maybe we'll change it up, but we'll go with the Nardo gray. Should we do a carbon hood on this? Oh yeah, I think we have to do a carbon hood. The wheels, we're gonna do them black. Brake calipers, they look kind of good yellow. I feel like you can do it any color with the Nardo gray. I think we might do Tiffany blue brake calipers. Do like that. Damn, bro, this shit looks so sick. All right, I think we're done. Honestly, that was a pretty fast build. Not much you can do to a Huracan. God damn, bro, look at that shit. See, now the front bumper actually looks good now that the car's like complete. Oh my god, bro, if I had this car, dude, and it's twin turbo, 1200 horsepower, this is literally the most perfect Huracan ever, bro. Yeah, I like the Nardo gray with the carbon hood, carbon lip, carbon spoiler. Heck, why is the sky all crazy? Oh my god. Look, fifth gear is spinning. Alright guys, I have a question. If you guys had this Huracan for one day, where would you take it? Like if you had it for one day, you had all day to drive it, what would you do that day? You had one day to drive this car. Do whatever you want. If I had it for one day, 1200 horsepower, and it looked this good, I would try to pull up to as much car meets as I could. And pretend it's mine, and then I would go on the freeway and just max it out, bro. Go to Mexico. Max it out. Oh, a drift car. What the heck? That's Adam LZ. I'm gonna take it to the freeway, see how fast this thing is, but let's see if we can drift it. Oh my god. That's so sick. Yeah, I probably would buy a rear-wheel drive one, so I can drift it and mess around with it. All-wheel drive is obviously sick, like my GTR, it just takes off so fast, but I miss having a rear-wheel drive car, guys, and drifting in real life, like it's so fun. Now that I have the Z, it's gonna be fun. I just need to get that thing up and running. God damn, this shit is fast. Why is it so dark out here? Let's do a 50 roll real quick. Oh my god, it's spinning through all the gears. 190, 200. I hit 200 so easy. 230. God damn. 238. Is that the max? Let's see. 239. Can I hit 240, bro? So close. Come on. I would have blew the motor already. Uh-oh. We're off-roading. In a Lambo. 1200 horsepower. CB built Lambo. The lip would be gone in real life. Literally die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where can we find some people to race? Who wants a race? Want a race? Come on, homie, let's race. Oh, we got a race, guys. We got a Lexus. I'll give you the go. Oh no. Is Lexus gonna gap me, bro? Bro, I can't even control this car. It's too much power. I'm coming, homie. Oh yeah, see when this shit starts gripping, it takes off. We really got gapped, guys. By a car that's half the price. Let's do a roll, bro. Come on. Bro, I can't grip. He's really smoking me. I'm gonna turn on my traction. I got you now, homie. Bro, how much horsepower that shit make? Bro, how's he beating me? Come on, let's do a roll, homie. Yeah, come on. Bro, it's literally faster than me. I quit. I quit, bro. I hope you guys enjoying these little Forza videos, though. It's pretty fun to do. I hope it's fun to watch. I'm trying to think of some more ideas we can do in the game. I know Jordan has this game, so we might do some little builds with him. I think the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to post on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram if you guys aren't already. It's at FindingNick. I'm going to post on my Instagram story one of these days and see if anyone wants to do a car meet in the game. I've done it once. I invited a bunch of people to play with me. The only thing that sucks, I think you can only invite like 10 people or something, or 15, 20. But I'm gonna do it so we can do a little car meet in the game, and I'll make that the next Forza video. Hey guys, go follow me on Instagram right now. Stay tuned, because I'm gonna throw a car meet in the Forza game, and I want all you guys to join, and you guys will be part of the next YouTube video too, which will be cool. Imagine like in Formula Drift if someone really did get a Huracan. That would be insane, bro. I know Mad Mike tried it once, which is crazy, bro. Look at that. This shit's really drifting. I don't know what these things are that I'm hitting, but so clean, bro. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video right there. Quick little Forza video. It was super fun to make. Super fun to make a Huracan. My dream build, bro. If I could have a Huracan one day, it would probably look exactly like this. Just comment down below what other cars you guys want to see me build. Smash the like button for me, please, because I know these videos are hard to get views right now. You smashing the like button and sharing it with your friends will help me out a lot, so I appreciate it so freaking much. Like I said, on the next Forza video, maybe we'll do a little car meet or something. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to your boy if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit.